This is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're going to unbox and turn on the new ZTE Axon M smartphone. This is on the AT&T network and this comes with AT&T service. So what we're going to do is turn the phone on while we're unboxing the rest of the box here with all the different materials inside. Okay, we'll take this off. So that'll boot up over here. And on the front you can see that there's a large camera. This phone only has one camera and it's 20 megapixel with a dual flash lens. Now going further inside the box. Definitely know it's AT&T. They have that AT&T sound. So it's some information. And then headphones that they've included. And then this is quick charge 3.0 enabled, so that's cool. The phone has finished booting up, and we'll get to that in just a moment. There's one piece left to show inside the box. USB Type-C cable and a USB-C micro USB converter and the SIM eject tool. Okay, so now the phone has booted up, and what's great about this phone is it's two screens. So we'll remove that. And so once you've unlocked the phone, you hit the M button and say what mode of wireless that you want. So this is the dual screen mode. You can also say to mirror, which is great. You can play a video over here and it will show over here. And let's say you have the phone like this. You can see on this side it's the same as this side. And then it works vertically or horizontally. So we'll put this into full screen mode like that, and it will turn if you need it to turn. The apps that are on here are configured for use with the dual screen mode. Here we go. And when you want to use the camera, there's a button on the side. So we'll fold this back up. Right here. You long press it for TV mode or double tap for camera mode. So there we go. So the camera's on the other side, right there. So when you flip it around, you have a 20 megapixel camera to shoot with. What we like is that it has HDR automatic mode. A lot of these phones don't have that. And tap to focus, it's very quick. You can go down or up with the brightness. Very fast. It's also very quick to take photos with. So this is the ZTE Premium Axon M phone from AT&T with AT&T service. We'll show you that. And it connected to AT&T. There we go. This is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter. We've just unboxed and taken a look at the Axon M phone from ZTE with AT&T service. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.